but we're in Grand Ledge. And it's definitely a busy little, oh, look at Opera House. We got Edward Jones. We got a craft lane. A very busy city. So we were going to look for a place to eat. Gonna kind of just freestyle it. See if there's a place that intrigues our mind. And we'll see what we can find. But we're in the hunt for food. If it is noon. Check this out, guys. I really dig these old theater. And this one looks like it's still in use. Please use other door. Sunday Theater now has a yearly pass. $80 each are redeemable 12 months from the date of purchase. Sure. How, guys? I would love to go inside and just check that out. I wonder if they have the old seating or if it's more modernized. Humming attraction. Forest Dump? Huh, here. That's interesting. Oh. Closed on Monday, open Tuesday and Sunday. Whoops. Let me get that in shot. GrandLedge.com. Oh, Grand Ledge Sauna. And then they wish somebody a happy birthday. So happy birthday, Greta. Now showing. And I don't know any of these movies. It's a cute little town. Nice little walking. You got, of course, your liquor stores. You got your vintage. You got a Pam's Pantry. Looks like soup mixtures and seasonings. You got an Italian restaurant. And then you got books, comics, and games. For all them ones that did the fantasy world, here you go. They look like they're closed today. We're going to go check out this Mexican food right here. And we are actually in downtown Grand Ledge. We tried the log jam, but they were closed until 3. So, let's go check out their food. Guys, we just got done eating here. I had 3 tacos. Obviously, I had to have chorizo. And then, and steak taco. Really good. I really did enjoy it. So, if you guys are over in Grand Ledge, I definitely recommend. And the name of the restaurant is called Cancun Mexican Restaurant, Mexican Grill. They give you salsa and chips. Prices wasn't, oh, they were okay. But the food was good. No. Pretty cool place just to sit and watch the geese. We seen somebody feeding the geese. If you notice down here is where they threw out corn. So he had a big bag of corn he was just feeding. The geese are chasing each other around. Like, get out of my spot. Ooh, he has bit that one. So after you cross the bridge, there's this little island of walking strip, and they have lots of benches, and you can probably fish from either side, and you got the geese, and this stops. This only goes out so far, so you can only walk out to a point, and then you turn around and come back. You do have to watch out for all the geese poop, though. Lots of geese poop. So now we're at the end of the peak, and you can see where there's the train trestle that we walked over. And then we walked all the way down here to that bridge, and we went that way to lunch, and then we came back across the bridge and down this path. Now we're gonna walk back down, all the way back down to our vehicles, and then I think we've decided that we're gonna go check out that place over there. That's the other ledge, Grand Ledge, where it's supposed to be more rugged and people, I guess, climb up and down these sand rocks. So let's go check that out.